You can watch this again if you need to. So in order to get a picture into Desmos, right, I just had this picture right here on my desktop. Drag it and actually drop it over here. Don't drop it here. Drop it over here. Bam, there we go. So let's put that. This should look familiar, guys. This is the Kleenex box from my desk. So the first thing that we need to do is right now, remember, I've told you to measure this. So I measured this Kleenex box, and the top of the parabola that we can see is about 10.5 centimeters, okay? Now, we can drag and move this around. Only if you go here with the middle dot. If you click on any of these dots along the outside edge, they're going to want to resize the picture and make it bigger or smaller, okay? Anyway, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to kind of drag this over here into quadrant 1, and then I'm going to make this bigger. Now remember, we want it to be, I want from this edge to this edge right here to be about 10.5. So I'm going to kind of cheat and put this over here at 0, and now I can look and say, oh, actually it was pretty close there. So this is at about, look, here's 10, 11, 12. It's a little bit about 12.5. So I need to make it just a little bit smaller, right? So again, move this over. Here's 11, so it's 11.5. So maybe here, I don't know. That's getting closer. Getting closer, just a little bit more. Again, this is where we got plenty of time to do this. Okay, so that looks good. All right, so now I'm going to drag this whole picture. I've got it the right size that I want. Right, now we're just going to drag this over here into first quadrant. There it is. Okay. From here, I need to do a couple things. So I need to try to plot some points along my curve. Okay. Or we could be really good and we could figure out, okay, where is the vertex, right? Where is the lowest point on this? Because we can write in vertex form, right? That's the x minus h squared plus k, right? Where h and k, guys, is my vertex. Okay, so look, I'm betting my vertex is, if you can see my mouse, it's somewhere right around here. I'm going to say maybe a little bit past 11, not all the way to 12, maybe like 11 and I'll go 11.25. And this line right here is 2, so it's a little bit underneath that. You know what I mean? So watch this. So I'm going to use so again, I don't know what my A value is, guys. We're going to play around with that here in a second, but I'm going to go, now this is a right move, right? If you think about our parent function, this would be a right move. So is a right move plus or minus? Well, obviously that's going to be a minus. 11.25, right? Because that's my x value for my vertex. And then we are up, right? Look, we're not up 2, we're not up 3, right? I'm up about 1.8 looks pretty good. I'm going to change the color so it stands out more. Orange looks great. Okay. And from here, I just need my A value, right? Remember, A is what number goes here. So like if you put the number 2 here, ooh, it's making it skinnier. Not what I want, right? And guys, we can find the A value mathematically. Okay, we can just kind of do some guess and check. It makes no difference to me. Is it 0.5? No, it got closer. What about 0.7? Ooh, not 0.7. Okay, so that's getting, nope, now it's back to getting taller. How about 0.1? Ooh, okay. So, again, if you like to guess and check, you can do that. If you wanted to find it mathematically, that's fine, right? You can take any point along this parabola, not my orange line, but along the parabola, and plug those in for x and y. I don't know, maybe 0.5. That's getting closer. 0.1. Yeah, that's getting better. 5, 8, 9. I mean, who knows? Okay, I would say, guys, for this, so look, I played around with this earlier, right? This is the best that I can come up with, right? I mean, we can mess with this number a little bit. You know what I mean? I think, about 0.215 is about as good as I can make this. get close to that. So I'm fine with that. Again, or maybe I don't like this picture because it doesn't fit perfectly. But guys, that's the real world. You know what I mean? Our mathematical answers don't always fit perfectly. So hopefully this helps you, right? Not only get your picture, okay, into Desmos, but to come up with our equation, again, use our standard, this is vertex form. So now I have vertex form of my equation. Can we make this into other forms, like standard form? Yes, we can, right? And we should be able to figure out how to do that by doing some foiling and some other fun stuff, okay? So anyway, good luck with that. And if you need anything else, let me know.